Many experts and people in general think the end of civilization is here. And I'm talking about being happy. Too many people look at self-sufficient, simple country living, being prepared folks as Pollyanna with your rose-colored glasses on, living in a conspiracy world. I'm not here to blow smoke up your behind. I reckon there's a good chance we are in the beginning of experiencing the end, the collapse of this amazing civilization. For serious! How can you be happy in these difficult, tough, and civilization-ending times? How do you not let the crazy civilization is collapsing world dictate how you live your life? Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree. Make sure that you're wearing your rose-colored glasses. Why? Because your family is looking at you like you're the crazy person. Why are you doing all this prepping work and stocking up when you can just go and get what you need at the store? Build Back Better is taking care of everything. Yes, there's a good chance we are in the beginning of experiencing the end, the collapse of this amazing civilization. Things like economic and financial failures, things like mind-blowing inflation, all the supply chain blunders, and childish political environment. And I'm talking about living happy and fun-loving and carefree. The fact is, Egypt, Greece, Rome, civilizations, they come and they go. Life was falling apart years ago. We have been living on the edge for a long time, but we just didn't know it. Or maybe, better said, hey, we were just able to ignore it. Then along came the pandemic, and life all around the world came to a crashing halt. Shutdowns, lockdowns, quarantines, and the fragile stability of our civilization was front and center. Today, no one can now ignore where things are headed, how fast life changes in the blink of an eye. Common sense isn't a flower that grows in everyone's garden. That's for sure. Maybe now people won't be looking at self-sufficient, simple country living folks as overreacting conspiracy crazy. So now you can take off your Pollyanna rose-colored glasses, because now you're no longer living in a delusional world. It's real life now, and too late for the naysayers. What's going to happen when gasoline gets so expensive you can't drive to work to make enough money to buy the gas that you need to get to work? What's going to happen when truckers can no longer pay for the diesel that they need to deliver your online orders? What's going to happen when eggs are $1 each? Yep, $12 a dozen. And now you can't buy food to feed your family. Build Back Better is taking care of everything. I reckon life's going to continue on. Hey, we're all still here today. Life didn't end after Egypt collapsed, Greece collapsed, Rome collapsed. But I'm sure life is going to be far different in 10, 20, 30 years from now. Yeah, it stinks that we're in this place right now. What can you do about it? We don't have any choice but doing our best to survive this current situation. You might as well be living happy. Life as we know it is gonna keep falling apart. Probably for the rest of our lives. How do you live through that? So, what can you do about it? How do you live happy and fun-loving and carefree in a civilization, as we know, it's collapsing all around the world. Focus on what matters. Focus on what you can control. Family thinks you're preparing is silly. The thing is, we all know whose house that all these non-believer family people are going to be showing up to when things truly collapse, right? So focus on living a simple, self-sufficient country life. Focus on a positive attitude and look at the big picture. Focus on growing your own food. Focus on spending time with family, playing games inside and outside. Be with family and friends, making memories with the ones that you love. Hey, there's no point living in fear of what's happening or what might happen. You might as well be happy. So, put on your rose-colored glasses because you get to decide how you will live your life. Don't let the busy, crazy world dictate how you live your life. Build back better. His cornbread ain't done in the middle, if and you know what I mean. Live happy, live fun-loving, and live carefree. Freedom! Make sure your cornbread's done in the middle.